Hey y'all, it's Adrian.Caprice here, and today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to start your fitness journey. I'm going to give you some tips for the gym if you are a beginner, and overall what I would do if I was starting my fitness journey right now. Before we get into today's video, my name is Adrian. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I focus on everything fitness, health, lifestyle, so if you're into that type of content, make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the family, you know. And if this is not your first time watching my video, hey girl, welcome back. So let's get right into the video because I'm known for rambling. To avoid that, I actually have my iPad here and I wrote down like some tips and tricks and just so I can stay on track, you know. So my number one tip is nutrition is everything. So when I first started working out, when I first started this whole lifestyle, my fitness journey, I wasn't really prioritizing my nutrition, or what I thought was healthy for me was actually healthy for someone else, because I was copying what they were eating. I was copying these certain diets and these fads, and I feel like nutrition is number one. So whether you're starting your fitness journey or your health journey, you have to figure out what's healthy for you. On the fitness side of things, what may be great macros for me, because you know I'm 5'2", 125 pounds, may not be the same for somebody who's 6 foot, 200 pounds. Do your research. If you have access or you know the funds to seek out a nutritionist, I would do so. But for me, I would say I just learned things through trial and errors. When I first started, or like maybe a year after I started my fitness journey, I was a vegetarian. I wasn't prioritizing like protein and certain fats. I didn't understand the whole notion of my micronutrients, and so I was eating a lot of potatoes, a lot of pasta. So number two, this is more so for like the gym side, but like I think everybody should work out, you know. It's just overall good for you. So whether you want to weightlift, you want to do cardio, Pilates, I just think it's good for you, just you know, mentally, physically, all of that good stuff. Gym anxiety is a thing. I think you overcome that with being prepared. If you go to like a Pilates class, pretty much the entire workout is planned for you, because you have someone, trainer or somebody, who is encouraging you and who is you know, giving you all the instructions for the movements. But say for instance you want to do solely weightlifting, I would suggest planning out your workouts. So I think you should take a tour of the gym so you can kind of like peep out the scene and like see, you know, what's really going on. Also knowing like where your goal is. So if your goal is to lose weight and then build muscle, plan a workout around it. So I have a lot of workout videos and stuff like that in my vlogs, and I also have dedicated workout videos. So if you want to watch some of those videos, feel free to watch my content. I'll actually leave it like a tag or something here. Just like have a plan. So if you want to grow your legs, look up the best workouts to grow your legs and then see if that works for you, and then you always tweak it and you know kind of alter that to what you know what your desired outcome is. Make it fun. So for me, this is not a diet, this is literally a lifestyle for me, and I feel like it took me a long time to actually realize that like, wow, this is my life, this is how I you know live my life, this is how I eat. And it didn't happen overnight, but I feel like for me, when it comes to food and even working out, I feel like I made it fun. For the longest though, I was eating very routine and very bland, and for some people that works for them. But if you're somebody like me who likes variety and who doesn't like eating the same thing or doing the same things, make it fun. So just because you like to eat a certain type of food, you can always try to find a way to make it in a healthier version, a healthier way. Or even if you want pizza, right? Sometimes it's okay to just eat the pizza, especially if you know you're gonna get right back, you know, on track. But like the other day, for example, with pizza, I went and bought cauliflower crust, and I put my marinara sauce and I made it just like you know you would a pizza. Now it gives you the same crunch, the same taste like you're having like real pizza. So that's what I mean when I say make it fun. And also when it comes to like a gym aspect of everything, you don't necessarily have to do weightlifting every single day. Incorporate Pilates. There are like tons of Pilates videos on YouTube. There are tons of HIIT workouts on YouTube that you can follow along with. Take a yoga class, take a dance class. So don't feel like you have to just be routine and do the same things every single day, because that gets boring, you know. The next one is buying, I don't know why I laughed, but buying cute workout clothes. Y'all, it makes a difference. So when I have a new workout outfit to work out in, I'm pumped for the next day, baby. I'm ready to work out. Like I got this new outfit, I got these new workout shoes, like let's work out, let's get it. And I'm taking pictures. Actually, I'm recording content because I look that good in it. You should correlate working out essentially with your life. Like when you go out with your friends, you're gonna look your best, period. When you go to work, you're gonna put in effort into your uniform or just, you know, your work attire. It's the same thing, you know. If you have the budget, or even if you don't have this huge budget, there are so many places that you can get cute workout clothes from. So instead of going to Lululemon, right, you can go to Amazon. If you have the budget for Lululemon, go buy you some workout clothes, girl. Go get cute for the gym. Like, make it an event. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much about that because, you know, it's just simple. But if you need some ideas, if you like shopping on Amazon, I will link my Amazon storefront down below so you can check out some of my faves, and it'll be in the description box. The next tip, honestly, I lost count. I don't even know what number tip we on. But just the next tip is you don't need 10 different workouts to achieve results. When I first started my booty building phase of like working out, because honey, I was doing legs, I was doing booty workouts 4 times a week. Okay, you couldn't play with AC back then, but I was doing so many different workouts, and I feel like I've seen the best results when I do between 4 to 5 workouts, and I actually do them on a consistent basis. So for my glue day, I've been doing the same 5 workouts for the past 2 months. The next 2 tips, I feel like they complement each other, and they are: don't listen to every fitness guru, take inspiration, and do what's best for you. A lot of people put information out on TikTok and on the internet to get views or for clickbait. Everything is trial and error, and take everything with a grain of salt. Take inspiration and see what other people are doing. Take from it, leave some of it, and move on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.